Today in our Relationship Friday, and we'll get Pastor here in your juggle for his studio. So therefore, our phone numbers, I say phone numbers because phone lines don't they open now, make you begin to call us. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV. Our phone lines don't they open, make you begin call us now to ask the relationship question or the suspicion, anything where you get for your mind to look for ask Pastor here. Pastor, continue.
All right. So, one of the then we can't go into how you're going to deal with those issues if you struggle with those feelings. First off, you go need to look into yourself and find out, ask yourself why you feel, say, your own man or your own woman no go dey straight. You know, because if you know fit answer internalized questions, you go struggle with external questions. If you know if you understand, say, you fit get good thing. I know people when no fit accept, say, them fit get good relationship. And it now come from values that we don't talk before. As you grow up, you don't dey used to the fact, say, men, they cheat. Nobody don't cheat before. You never marry you. But you don't hear, say, Kate and her husband. You don't say XYZ and her husband. You don't hear it. So for your mind, you don't draw conclusion. So when you begin date, and then maybe 2-3 days, you say, no go fit see you, say, you go date busy.
Your mind don't go straight and cheat, they go cheat.
You know? And so once you get that internal conflict, one of the easiest ways to deal with them, not to talk about them, tell your partner exactly how you feel. Know the code, you know, people, so the danger of suspicion be say, if you just leave it like that, they form FBI for your mind. Anything where you find, you go see. Once you go into suspicion mode, anything where the person do,
you go suspect.
Go dey suspicious. It no matter what you do again. This should not be him now. This should now the eyes, now the glasses where you take look at. Because you don't enter suspicion mode, anything where you do, normally they help people for bus stop when they go work. You go drop pick people and they go. But because you don't enter suspicion mode, when you reach bus stop, pick one yellow lady, two, you know, you go say you pick those two boys, make it take diffuse detention. Say the person where you want pick really.
that yellow. Mary, good evening. Hello, Mary. Hello.
Hello, Nedu.
Good evening, Mary. How you doing?
Fine, thank you. How you doing now?
I did fine. Which question you want to ask today?
Easy. I did with you.
Hi, Mary. Good evening.
Pastor Yanyi, happy to get from you today, sir.
Abio, thank God.
I beg, I want to ask one question. What is something we say, you dey sure say the person they cheat? And although you don't see a but person tell you, person they stay with them for your house, tell you, as in, are you meant to believe or you see based on your assumption?
Okay, so you don't talk, say you know Siam.
So, I know Siam,
okay.
but person they stay with them for your house,
no,
you tell me.
You see, make we, you know, say that you and him go date together, no be you and him friend.
Him brother, now he call me, tell me.
So, what did the brother get for mind?
Well, I don't know, but he says they don't do things when they suspicious.
Questions. Now, questions, they create proper clarity. Since I ask you that one simple question, you hesitate, laugh, can't answer. What did the brother get for mind? Why you think say tell you?
Why they tell you?
Why you think saying tell you?
Waiting be end.
Waiting be the plan. Waiting be okay. Why you tell you? Say make you can't do it.
Oh, don't me and you know today close. Me and him brother know today close like that. For himself, I don't see a lot of texts from his phone. Call. He always run out to go and make his calls and all. You understand? Even his BBM phone and everything. But I know they let that one disturb me. But this one struck me. Hold on, himself and his driver still call me again. This really touched me, though.
Okay. All right. Just listen. Hang up. Just listen. Make it talk.
I really want to hear an answer. Thank you.
All right, there. All right. So, Mary talk say in they cheat, but he never see him. He no get any facts.
He get a smooth criminal.
Say the way when you hear, na person call and tell him, in driver call and tell him. So my answer to you be say, what do you want to do with hearsay?
Bam.
You know, how does hearsay make for good conversation? What if you confront him and then you tell him say that in driver and in brother and you call them and they say when them talk up, how you want
deny him.
So how you want deal with that one? You see, when you enter this mood, everybody could become assets to you.
Not true.
See, once you enter this mood where you do so, everybody in an asset. You know, you go to spend on top the driver because you want gist. And if they tell you what you want here because you don't say you don't know. But in psychology, you don't enter that mode. You want, what's not got to do when I know day. You want to hear word for a match. You go buy a phone, buy a recharge card. You go gas to give you something. If you say nothing.
In the gas, they feed the source of it.
You get, if you say nothing, how you want work now? How the thing want take move? If you feel say you get any issue, Mary, hear me. Leave the brother, leave the driver. One day, set the atmosphere for the miracle. 12 when they chop, you cook 12 when they laugh when they chop. Say you want ask something. Say you know say you go vex, but you go prefer say make it no vex. Say they get as your body done they do you for some time now. Say you feel say no they got completely upfront with you. If he rake, if he shout, if something they there, you go see him. If something they there, you go. If not reasonable man, either you go repackage or you go just delete and rebrand, and you no go need to do that conversation. But to enter this mode on hearsay, you don't even dare for yourself because you don't jeopardize that relationship. Because now and everybody now
Good, they give you
they work against what you 12 when I get.
But Victor, good evening. Victor. Victor.
Hello?
You don't release your TV. Good evening.
Are you with me?
Nah, I'm with you. Which question you get to ask this evening?
Man, is it good?
Yeah, good evening, no.
What did happen?
Fine, Jerry.
Party fine.
Guy.
Man, too much. you be professor of relationship.
Chai.
Victor, waiting be a question.
Man, I never question. I just want to...
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Hello, who there on the line?
Hello.
Mike, good evening.
I am still waiting, and I just put me on hold.
No mind then. I there for work. Good evening, Mike.
Yeah, Nedu.
Use your TV, follow you. They use your TV, hear me. It's not good.
I hear you, Nedu.
Oh, yeah, ask your question what you want to ask Pastor this evening.
Nedu, I want to start by saying this your cap now oversized. This is how you touch hand.
No, not be oversized. I just want to make it stand straight like this. If you cover my head too much, you not go good. I don't like him. So that my head, you don't go to say it too big like that. I don't know. Are you with me?
I'm with you, Nedu.
I'm going to ask you a question now.
I just want to ask Pastor Yanyi.
All right.
Make a greet and first because of the good work when they do.
Wow, thank you very much, man.
I believe that God they touch and they do one for us.
Ask off.
But my question is actually, if my wife actually travel, Nedu, they hear me?
Would they hear you?
Would they hear you?
If my wife actually travel, actually I would be restless. Not that I'm suspecting her, but even to at times eat, I would just that loneliness.
Okay.
Go make me at times even 20 to 30 times I go on even hear her voice. To me now, I just want to ask where that category fall put is that does it mean that I dey suspect her or to me I just that absence of not seeing her.
And make I just ask you. And make I ask you, Victor. I mean Mike. Make I ask you. You the suspect him?
No, I need it.
Simple.
No.
Now we don't answer the question.
I'm not the suspect.
We don't answer the
You
question.
don't answer question with that.
Now love they do your own na love.
Now love.
How are you, Hunanya? Love.
Okay, I don't hear you, Nedu.
Thank you. Good night, Mike. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Lara, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How is you?
I am very fine. Good evening. Nice to meet you. It'll be nice to hear from you. Right?
All of them meet you, around you, inside, anything. I'm going to ask question what you want to ask.
Good evening.
Hi Lara, how are you now?
I'm very fine. Easy beat.
Yeah, Lara, good evening.
Do you remember my daughter? We met at the mall.
Oh,
really crazy about you.
I remember.
Hey!
All right.
Easy.
Now,
Hey!
to
Hey! Breeze don't blow. Come down open.
So hearing.
Yes, I'm listening to you, Lara.
Yes. Now you're talking about suspicion,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, sir.
I have a friend, a very close friend, and there's a situation that I want you to help me review.
Okay.
Now, this friend of mine suspected her boyfriend was cheating on her. The guy said he is not. Okay. You know, he told her that the girls living in his house, they are liars and all that, and she believed him. So one day, because the guy's house has two, there's an entrance and there's an exit.
Okay.
So apparently, whenever she leaves his place, the other babe comes from the other entrance, right?
Wow.
Now, One of the neighbors took her time to now explain to her that this is what is happening.
How it happened.
This girl now trailed the guy. Apparently, the guy has wife to be, not even girlfriend though.
Okay.
Wife to be. So they meet up. The girl will cook and bring to his house. This, my friend, is the one that furnished his house. So she's practically responsible for. She bought home theater, bought clinics. I mean, this guy, he entered her in a way that then he made her believe that everything was going to be fine and all that. My friend turned to a mad person. One day, she was calling the guy. It was the other girl that was speaking. She could hear voices, right?
Yeah.
She didn't do anything. She trailed the guy. She found the girl's house. When she got there, she met them eating Indomie. If she cooks Indomie for this guy, the guy will say it's meat for birds. He will not eat it.
Okay.
But he was there eating Indomie like his life depended on it, with egg on top.
Okay.
And just catching fun and all that. What do you say about this kind of thing? If the guy wants to go out, you say want to go and photocopy material, you want to go and do this. And she was always believing him. So now, the day she saw them together, this guy still told her that actually they attend the same church, they do this, they do that.
Okay.
Later, the whole lie graduated. Whenever he put the girl on his DP, he would say maybe the girl's father died. Somebody is always dying. So that is how the girl will end up on the DP.
Okay. Sure.
Family knows the girl. You understand? So the whole thing was just connected and disconnected in a funny way. In this kind of situation, you will still tell me that suspicion. I mean, my friend was almost going crazy. That, is it so bad? That
Let me. So can I respond to that?
Yes, please. I don't mind hanging on.
Okay. Why has she lingered so long? What was she holding on
My
to?
brother, it is this stupid love we are still talking
No,
about.
you see, this is not love. This is just being blind to the reality. Now, all of you knew, everybody, and she had the confrontation. A broken relationship is always better than a broken marriage. If she was going to go into all of this and there were going to be lies, meanwhile, all of you know that that is his wife to be. What she should have just done was cut her losses. Whatever the attraction was, she should, look, your emotions are they are neurons. Once you get hurt, once that emotional disconnect happens, but after a while you will heal. That is not a memory you need to reinforce. If you keep reinforcing, trying to believe a lie, trying to believe deception, what makes you become less and less intelligent about what is truly objectivity. In this case now, there is a game plan. You are the pawn. Now you have realized you've cut your losses. You've bought DVD, you've bought PlayStation, home theater, you've bought furniture. That's what it is. Help us step back from it and walk away. He can come back and beg. He probably knows exactly what to tell her. Probably knows what she wants to hear. He probably knows her weakness and doesn't even know he knows it. It could just be a subconscious thing. There are certain things he says or does that gets to her. Once we're able to find that thing, we channel that energy to something else so that he doesn't hold her ransom to the way he talks to her. Maybe it's the things he says to her or how he says it. Because tomorrow, if he does get married, what now happens to her? That means her heartbreak will now come full circle. And then she will not really feel stupid with her life. So to
when
save
you
her,
don't know, say don't come from.
Lara, to help her from this, people will do an intervention. All right, sit as close friends and tell her, look, we need to define this thing and put it. Yeah.
Bridget, good evening. Sorry, say we don't keep you on the line since. Bridget,
Good evening.
sorry,
Are you with me?
we are with you. Sorry, say we'll keep you on the line. Because I'm going to ask you a question.
Please, I want to ask you, if I'm calling my ex-boyfriend, is it means I'm cheating with my husband?
No, I want to ask you a question. What are you calling him for?
Just we talk, we ask about business, how even if you don't marry, we are talking about business, family.
No, I'm just asking. Wait first, answer the question first. What are you calling him for?
I'm calling up to ask her for business, how things.
Okay, that's what you think you're calling him for?
Yes.
Okay. Now, notice that I said that's what you think you're calling him for, and you still said yes. It just instantly says that there's still some form of connection. It doesn't necessarily mean emotional or intimate, but you just still like that company. It doesn't mean you can't be friends with your exes, but if in the case where you feel uncomfortable about it and are asking questions about it, it simply means that there's something. Situations have not created it. So if situations were a bit more favorable, it might have been in a way you might not have been able to explain it. So make we just define this thing. If you feel already, say, good day, uncomfortable, or if man find out, he go vex. For your own sanity, just define them clearly. Tell and say, how work, how you day. We're going to see when we see, but I'm not going to call you as regularly like this because now then you're going to remember where they go eat, the films when I watch together. And when you begin do all those things, you go begin cause sparks for your heart when no they necessary.
Bridget, you don't hear, Abby?
So if no be big, they're not say you understand, say nothing they happen. But as they ask the question, it means say somewhere for your subconscious, you just want to get clarity. Just if it's unhealthy for you, just decease from him. It don't mean say you be a bad person. It just means say you be objective person. You want focus on your husband and you won't give this one break.
Bridget, you don't hear him, Abby. Thank you. Hello, who are on the line? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello.
Sly, you don't go back to Italy.
I don't come back.
Yeah, you say Italy, eh? Oh yeah, ask question where you want to ask.
Pastor Yayi, good evening.
Hi,
See,
Sly.
it's just almost the same thing with this question the last caller just asked you.
Okay.
See, I have my girlfriend.
Okay.
It's like she always talk with her ex. All right? And I've told her it's not making me feel good about it.
Okay.
So I don't like it. I told her pump and play. And before I went to Africa, she came to the house. And I looked at her Facebook because I'm always suspicious about her. That's just the truth. I got this too much suspicious because I love her. I don't want to say I love her. I like her for now. So I looked at her Facebook. She wrote the guy, telling the guy about what she wants to do with her service, which we don't talk about. And I get angry about it. In there again, she talked to somebody else, another guy again, in my presence, like writing in fact, I don't want to say it, but a nonsense message. So I was like, why are you doing this? If you know you don't want me, because it's like most times it's only when she has problem, that's when she remembers to call me or come to me. But at the same time, then she tells me, I love you. Like yesterday when I came back, she's like, I love you. I'm like, you don't love me because I explained so many things from her. Like, what should I do? Because I don't want to be like throw her off because I don't feel it's right. But advise me what I should do to such a girl.
All right. Well, advising is a strong word because when it comes to emotional matters, after you advise and 12 on a makeup, now me be the bad person. It happens a lot. So advice is not the word to use. It's just to help you see clearly the big picture. All right. So you first off, you say you suspect them. You constantly suspect them. That in itself not even healthy. All right. So the counsel I give you be say think whether you want continue or you don't want continue first. Now this second part where you don't tell them say you know they're comfortable with the fact say into the contact all his exes and she don't agree change. You go need to sit down and make a big deal. Say the kind
and Pastor in say he get some things where he get to discuss with them.
Then when she know they discuss
with her.
It means say you no be her friend. You be for her mind. You be her intimate body, and you're not supposed to be. One of the criteria for intimacy in a friendship. So if she no fit tell you say she get pimple for face, if she shame to tell you say she get pimple, but she no shame to tell her ex say she get pimple, that means say she go be more comfortable with that one.
Other than that,
so all this is where they see like escalate make them real issue. Maybe you go for dinner, call her one day from work, we're gonna sit down, say, look, these things I don't talk about before, but now at the state time as facts, things we're not going to tolerate again. Please define your relationship with your exes. Please define the way they intimate with each other. You go say this is the very reason why I know they follow you talk. No problem. But the truth we say, make she tell you to her face. Say she no trust, she no they comfortable with you. Say she they comfortable with them. Then you go help you if you take informed decision. Because when she tells you she love you, and then she know they comfortable with you, now the conflict where you they struggle with, now they make you ask all these questions. Because she don't tell you say she love you, but meanwhile she they spend intimate
with other
discussion
people.
with somebody else. So now the conflict where they struggle with. So if this conflict not they resolved, you could just stay in between and in betwixt. You know you think say she love you, but at the same time you know they comfortable with them.
Okay.
As I don't talk like this. I know say you go, Sly, say you be smart guy.
He's a sly guy.
Yes, you go decode.
Anyway, double to all of now we call us today on Sunday Night Show. Thank you very much. Thank you to Pastor Ihianyi Ejogu. In case you want to follow Pastor Ihianyi Ejogu on top Twitter at Ihianyi1 at Ihayin 1. And the book, what we don't talk about for Pastor Ihayin, very, very soon, at least 2 weeks time now, the book go be ready for you to buy that book everywhere we want to buy them for inside we word where we did. So double to all of now we call us. And then to Monday, would they say thank you to all of now. Thank you to the DJ of the living, but cannot call another 10, Easy Beat, and then to K Solo, and then to K Moss, and then to everybody, double to all of now. Until Monday, una good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.